So in this lecture, we are discussing about chatbots. So chatbot is an intelligent bot that can interact in a human-like conversation. So there are two types of chatbots. First one is retrieval based and the second one is generative chatbots. So the retrieval based chatbot means, so these bots work by selecting best predefined response from a set of available responses. So there are set of available responses in there and we take the best response from these available responses. So this is what a retrieval based. Let's see what is that. And so it needs intent definition. So intent definition means what the user wants, what is the user needs. That is what a intent definition. So it requires intent definition and also it requires entity extraction. So it is important data or keywords from the input. So from the input we extract important data and keywords. So it is essential for what? Retrieval based chatbots. And the third one is it uses example utterances, which is sample user inputs. So we give the it requires sample user input. And last one is it provides responses using a predefined template. So how it works? So we give the user input and that match with the intent, that is what the user needs, or that it match or the input match with that intent, and extract the features such as important data or keywords from the input and return the fixed responses. So here is the example. The user gives a book a ticket to Kochi. The content or intent, what the user need is book a ticket, right? And the entity is extracted important data is Kochi. So the location Kochi is extracted and the response will be like your ticket to Kochi has been booked. So this is just a template. From this template we adjust the values of data according to our intent and entity. So there are a lot of templates is there. From predefined templates we use we create a responses. That is what here is this. Okay, and the prompts it is more controlled and accurate. Also it is easy to design for specific tasks. And there is cons or disadvantages, which are limited flexibility and cannot handle unexpected queries well. Okay, then second type of chatbot is generative chatbot, which is these bots generate responses dynamically using a machine learning models. It doesn't use the predefined response. It creates that response dynamically using the machine learning models. So no need of this defined fixed response template, and it can create new or human-like responses, and it uses deep learning or neural networks. So how it works? First we have to input the user input, and then model extract that context, then generate a response in real time. So for example, the user means user tells the chatbot I feel bored. So the bot give maybe you could watching a movie or going for a walk. So it is not predefined response, it is generated in real time. So it is highly flexible and more natural conversation, but it can produce incorrect or unpredictable responses, and it requires more data and computation.